How to highlight in PDF in computer, laptop, or PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to highlight in PDF. Now let's get right into the tutorial. So firstly, go ahead and open the PDF you want to highlight in. If you are using a Mac, then to highlight a text, simply select the text you want to highlight. Now on the top toolbar, you will see the pen-like icon, which is the highlight icon. So tap on that and the text will be highlighted. You can also tap on the drop down you see there if you want to change the color of the highlighter or the settings of the highlight. And now to highlight a PDF in Microsoft Edge browser, make sure you have the Edge browser on your device first, and now locate the PDF and right-click on it. You will see the option for Open With. Place your cursor on that and you will see the option for Microsoft Edge. Tap on that to open the PDF on Edge and now select the portion of the text you want to highlight. A pop-up window will appear, and if the window does not appear, you can also right-click on your mouse and you will see a bunch of options there. Tap on the pen-like icon you see there, which is the highlight option. You can also select the color of the highlighter, and with this, your text will be highlighted. You can also tap on the highlight option on the left of your screen and further select the highlighted color and the thickness, and this time you can just move around the cursor on the parts you want to highlight and you will not have to keep selecting the text, as the text will be highlighted by itself when you move the cursor. So this is how you can highlight in PDF. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.